Not only are those contestants able to showcase their talents on stage, but this is the second year an art exhibition has been included in the Unity Talent Show. DeQuestany Lee tells us more about this awesome event.
What you can expect at Unity Talent Show is a bunch of students coming to express and show their cultures in multiple different talents. I will be performing a very close song to my heart called Journey to the Past. It's supposed to express the history and the discovery of self-love, of history of my culture, and really embracing how much there is to a human being and how much growth we do as humans.
The Unity Talent Show also offers students a chance to support fellow students, building community and working towards the ultimate university goal of inclusion. Both first place for the art exhibit and the talent show will receive a $300 scholarship.
UK, everybody gonna say UK. Well, I can't leave.